please keep it in work. Last year's unsold goods. Okay, last year's unsold good, it will be again opening stock, closing stock. But I'll tell you next class. Okay, hope you're clear with the stock. What is stock? Clear? Okay, can you tell me what is profit? It's very simple. Can anyone want to put in the chat box? What do you mean by profit? Profit, without a motto of profit, the business will not run. Okay, or I can say business will not start. Okay, the main prime motto of any businessman to earn the profit. Okay, profit is nothing but where the revenue is more than expenses. Good, where the income is more than expenditures, that is called profit. Okay, okay, for example, we have manufactured, okay, batteries, okay, 20 batteries with a cost of 2 lakh. Okay, so in short I can say I am manufacturing the exact batteries and the cost of production or cost of manufacturing is 2 lakh, okay, of 20 batteries. We need to sell the batteries. Obviously our business is manufacturing the batteries and we need to sell that. Okay, for how much we are going to sell the batteries? For 1 lakh? No. For 2 lakh? No. So our manufacturing or cost of goods, which what we have produced is 2 lakh. We may sell it for 2.5, 3 lakh, whatever it is. So more than 2 lakh we are going to sell. So whatever the amount which we are going to earn than manufacturing, that part we can say it's a profit. Okay. Excess income over the expenses. Even that's true. Okay. Okay. Can anyone tell me what do you mean by the loss? When we can say we are under loss. So vice versa. Excess expenses over the income. Okay. My expenditures are more than my income. Then I'm in loss. Okay. Simple. Understand? So so you may thinking that same concepts I'm repeating again and again. I'll tell you, but if you once clear with the basic concepts of account, easily you can cope up with the again accounting terminologies which is there in upcoming classes. Okay, so these are the expense. Okay, expenses is amount spent. Okay, in order to produce PNC SEA, expense is the cost of use of things or service for the purpose of generating revenue. Expense is the part of expenditure which has been consumed during the current accounting periods. Examples of expenses, payments, salaries, wages. Okay, it's a simple, not an issue. Okay, expense is nothing but whatever the expenditure we are going to do in the business. For example, if I purchase a 2 lakh rupees of raw material, so even that is my expenditure. If I'm paying the current bill or I can say the light bill to the HESCOM, BESCOM, whatever it is, so even that is an expenditure. If I'm paying the wages to the workers, if I'm paying the salaries to my employees, even that is an expenditure towards me. Okay, if I'm paying the advertisement bills, okay, if I'm paying the bonus to the workers, whatever the expenditure I'm going to do, or I can say the chargeable, that all you can say the expenses to my business. Okay, so again there are two types of expenditure. One is capital expenditure and what is revenue expenditure. So what is capital expenditure? Try to understand. It is even it is the amount spent in the purchasing asset which will be give a benefit, okay, for more than one accounting period. Okay, so the expenditure which we are going to do for more than one accounting period, capital expenditure. Okay, which we these are the expenditure which will be occur, I can say very shortly. Okay, within 10 years 2 3 times we will do the capital expenditures. Okay, this expenditure will not repeat again and again. Okay, over more than 1 year after, if we have done xyz expenditure in 2019, again same kind of expenditure we are going to do in the 2020-25. So this capital expenditure will not repeat like frequently or monthly. Okay, it acquires fixed asset. For example, it's very a simple example they have given us. To acquire the fixed asset we make it use of capital expenditure. Then capital expenditure debited to the particular assets of account. Okay, for example, if we purchase the furniture, machinery, which is costing for 2 crores, okay, okay, if try to understand the examples of capital expenditure, okay, if we have purchased the machinery which is costing of 2 lakh, sorry, 2 crores, okay, machinery or technology which is there in, so the same machinery we are not going to purchase in the next month, okay, so at least 1 year, 2 year, 3 year we are going to make it use. So the such kind of big expenditure we are incurring in our business, that is called capital expenditure. Capital is nothing but it's a huge expenditure which is not going to repeat frequently, okay, and try to keep it in mind, capital expenditure is debited to the particular asset account. For example, if we have purchased a machinery which is costing of 2 lakh, 2 crores, okay, so in that, whatever the furniture we are going to, or machinery we are going to purchase, in that we are going to debit is nothing but which side, right side or left side? Yesterday I told you, if I want to debit, yes, if I want to debit the entry, then I need to write in the right side, okay. Next, capital expenditure in balance sheet, where it will appear in the asset side of balance sheet, okay. So can anyone tell me where will be the asset side in the balance sheet, right or left? Yes, right side. So these all, whatever the finance statement is there, no, those all things will we are going to learn in our offline classes. Don't worry. Just try to understand the basic terminology, how the accounting has involved. That's it. Revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure is nothing but even it's a kind of amount spent to purchase for the goods and services. Okay, that are consumed during the accounting period. It's shown in the debit side of profit and loss account. Okay, please keep it in mind. Revenue expenditure is nothing but which expenditure which are incurring frequently, day-to-day expenditures. I can say, for example, stationary expenditure will be there. This kind of, again, paying the electricity bill. These are all the revenue expenditure which we are repeating monthly. Okay, so this kind of expenditure is called as a revenue expenditure. Okay, so revenue is nothing but incurring again and again. So try to understand revenue expenditure, whatever will be there. For example, paying the rent, paying the electricity bill, paying the water bill. Those all expenditures we are going to record in the debit side of profit and loss account. Okay, debit side of profit and loss account is nothing but which side, left or right side? Yes. Okay. So understood the revenue expenditure. Capital is nothing but the expenditure which is not going to repeat again and again. Okay. Revenue expenditure is nothing but which is going to repeat again and again, as you have put in the chat box. Okay. Printing and stationery, light bill, water bill, rent, okay, freight, carriage, and what are many revenue. I can say the revenue expenditures. Okay, income. As I told you, income is the profit earned during the accounting period. In other words, it's a difference between the revenue and expenses called income. Okay, same as I discussing with the profit. Income is nothing but revenue minus expenses. Revenue is nothing but income or profit, I can say. Understood? Income, I think it's a self-explanatory concepts. Understand income? Okay, so we should not give much time for that. So again, transactions is our favorite words. I can say again and again we are repeating. Okay, what do you mean by transactions? You have to tell me now. What is transactions? Buying and selling, very good. Income, incoming and outgoing. Purchasing, selling, paying salary, okay, paying bonus, paying rent, paying bills. These all things involved in the transactions. Okay, transaction is nothing but purchasing or selling of goods and services, or in short, I can say exchange of goods and services between the two parties. It's called transactions. So let's try to understand drawings. Okay, drawings. It is the amount of money or the value of goods which the proprietor or the partner takes for his domestic or the personal use. Okay, so drawing is nothing but the amount which is the owner amount. It is the amount of money or the value of goods which the proprietor or the partner takes for the domestic or the personal use. It's called a drawings. Okay, drawing reduces the investment or capital of the owners. Okay, so next it appears only in the accounts of sole proprietor of the firms or the partnership firms. Okay, so let's try to understand what do you mean by the drawings. Drawing is nothing but it's kind of amount, okay, uh, which is used by the owners, okay, from his business. For example, I have invested 1 lakh rupees in my business and I am the owner of that business, obviously. So out of 1 lakh I'm using 10,000 rupees for my personal or domestic purpose. Okay, so out of 1 lakh rupees, whatever is there in my business, from 1 lakh 10,000